A messy surprise in the living room. Suspect found. The culprit. For muddy paws, regular cleaning isn't enough. Meet WASHWOW P1 Pet Paw Cleaner. Just add tap water. One-touch operation. Auto-generates gentle electrolyzed water. Silicone bristles remove dirt effortlessly. Clean paws after automatic shutoff. Only tap water. No chemicals needed. Breaks down organic grime and banishes unpleasant paw odors. Freshens paws and reduces everyday paw discomforts. Safe for pets to lick. Detachable and easy to clean. No lingering odors. Shorter than your phone, easy to carry anywhere. Pair with drying towel for easier cleanup. One charge equals up to 15 days of use. Deep cleans, refreshes, and deodorizes in one step. Lab-verified high-efficiency cleaning. Clean paws. Happy pets, happy homes.